Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the door and confirming the latch type so you cut only what's needed. Measure the backset, 2-3/8 or 2-3/4, and mark the hole center on the face. Once done, drill a pilot through the face at the marked center to guide the larger bit. This prevents wandering. Make sure to wear eye protection and keep the door clamped or steady. That stability matters so your holes stay true and the handle will align properly later. You now bore the main face hole with a 2-1/8 hole saw, controlling speed to avoid splintering. Once the face hole is clean, drill the edge for the latch pocket and chisel out a shallow mortise so the latch plate sits flush. This prevents binding when turning. Dry fit the latch and spindle into the holes to test alignment. If the handle binds, enlarge the pocket by small 1/8 increments. Make sure the latch bolt retracts smoothly before you finish by inserting the spindle and mounting both handle halves, starting screws by hand and tightening evenly so the mechanism stays centered. Once assembled, close the door and check that the latch engages the strike plate. If it sticks, chisel a bit more from the strike or deepen the recess. Test the lock through 10 full open-close cycles to seat components, then tighten screws and apply a light lubricant to the bolt. If it still binds, recheck backset and spindle length. Those are common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.